boss, I am Gus. Today I'll show you how to install the rear wiring harness for this unit.
Display of wiring harness. Plug and play GPS antenna. Plug and play 4G antenna. One press installation. One press release. Reversing control cable. Six USB cable harness. Four USB cable harness. RCA cable harness. RCA harness with 4G card slot. Power cord. Reversing camera. The reverse cable is for connecting the reversing camera. Even if you are not connecting a reversing camera, you must also plug this yellow reverse cable into the machine. This is front and rear dual recording cameras wiring harness. One is a front camera, and the other is a rear camera. This is the location of the dual recording camera interface. This is a 360 panoramic camera wiring harness. One front camera, one rear camera, one left camera, one right camera. There are 4 cameras in total. This is where the 360 camera interface is connected. This is a radio antenna. Connect the vehicle radio antenna for receiving FM and AM broadcast signals.